Hello inventors, in this video we are going to learn how we can create Tic Tac Toe game using MIT App Inventor with free extension. So let's start. So this is really very basic. So just click on start new project and my project name is Tic Tac Toe game. And now click on OK. So that's our first screen. So I'm going to drag and drop your one layout. And that one is vertical arrangement, this one, and make this height is 70% and the width is fill parent, like this. Now we need to drag and drop one horizontal arrangement and make this width is fill parent and the height is like fill parent, like this. Now we need to go to the here and I will give you that link in the description. That is extension Tic Tac Toe extension. Now we need to download that extension. Download this and go to the MIT App Inventor here. Click on extension, import extension and import this extension here and import it. Drag and drop that extension here and now we need to click on user interface and drag and drop one button here and change that button name to reset game, like this. You can change that background color of that button, something is like this one, and make this one is like text color is white. And now let's make this one font size is 18 at least, and now make this one in a center like this. And now we need one label here, and just label remove that text or just like say autumn, like this. And now we need to use that font size is at least 25 or 30 around. Cool. And now we need to just change that background color to black or whatever you want, like something, but make sure just change that to white. Just try. Cool. And that's our game is great. Now what we need to do here, we need to go to the block section here, and now whenever our screen will initialize, okay, this one, then click on that extension here and you can see here call Tic Tac Toe initialize view, and the component, click on that vertical arrangement and select that vertical arrangement like this. Now whenever someone click on button 1, it means reset game. So click on that extension and you'll find here the reset game, this one, reset game. Now whenever you can see, click on that extension and you can see the when Tic Tac Toe on X turn. Okay, so on X turn we will change the value. So just say set that label is like set label dot text. Click on text here and just type here like O turn, like this. Okay, and oh, I'm sorry, this is the X turn. And then again click on extension and you'll find here the O turn, that one, and just copy paste this one here like this. And you can say or just type here to change it to like this O turn, like this. Now whenever someone is win that game, so he will find the option of on the winner font. Okay, so we will change that label. So the winner is like, we will just say winner is, and I will use here the join text like this. Winner is something here and the text is winner, get winner. It's simple. Let me just run this app on the emulator. So let's try. Wait some second. Yes, reset game extra. I want to use some space here, so I will use one label and remove that text from here, and yes, that's it. Cool. Reset game X turn. So let's try. This is X, now O's turn. So let's try. Then X turn, you can see O. See, winner is 1. Then right. See, the winner is O. You can use the condition here. Actually, this one is just return the 0 and 1. It means what I can do here, I can do one more thing here. Whenever I get the 0, it means I will use the condition here. So control if, okay, like this. Whenever someone is winner found, if the condition, like if the value, it means the text is compare or like a logic control. So if the winner, okay, the winner is equal to 1, okay, and yeah, it's a numeric value, so I'm sorry, it's a numeric value, so I need to use your maths. So if the winner is like 0, okay, this one, you can see the winner is 0, it means X. So we will display here the winner is X, this one, like this. Cool. And we don't need to use a join. And on the else, okay, just else, the winner is O, like this. Let's try to run this, how it's work, and we have done some mistake. Let's see. Let's figure it out. Let's do that here, then again that one, then here, and here. See, winner is O. Cool. So that is amazing app. If you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.